So automations are emails or messages that get sent out automatically. You can see here your active or your drafts, and we can create a new one straight away. You can either create a blank one or abandoned cart automation. So we'll start with that first. So when someone goes through your shopping cart and doesn't continue through with the purchase, they will get this series of emails. Okay, so the first email, then we'd wait a day, send another email, wait 2 days, send another email, wait another day. Okay, and again, this is automatically set up for you, so when the contact abandons the checkout cart. But if you're creating a new automation, you can choose any of these different triggers, right? So if someone gets added to an email list, if someone has a tag added, if someone makes a purchase of a specific product or any purchase in general, if the order status gets changed from completed to cancelled or anything like that, or if someone clicks a link on the email, absolutely anything can start an automation. And then here as well, when you click on the plus, you can get different options. So you can delay like that, we delay for a day, or you can send an email, send a notification, SMS, WhatsApp, send a voice message, or you can do some other stuff. So like you can add a tag to the person, you can remove a tag, update the contact property, unsubscribe them, start another automation as well, or trigger a webhook if you want to get more advanced and integrate with some different applications. And again, so these are the emails. You can just go through and edit the emails using the same email builder as before. And once you're happy, click on save. Don't forget to fill out this information as well, okay? So just save that, good. And then here the analytics, you can see how many people have gone through and opened everything and clicked everything. And if you set a goal as well, then for example purchase a product or join a page, then that'll display there as well. Once you're happy with it, you can turn the automation on or off. So here we'll turn it on. We're missing some information, so we'll turn it off again at the moment. Okay, so let's create another automation based on if someone submits a form or maybe makes a purchase. So if we go into our builder, first of all, let's say the Contact Us page, and we've added a form widget here. So it's this form widget. And within the settings here, you can say connect to email marketing. Okay, so whoever fills this out with their name, email address, phone, and message, then we'll connect them to an email marketing list. And you can either do your default list or something. I've just created a list here that says contacted me. So we'll choose that. And we'll also tag the contact when they send a message. And again, I've just added a tag called contacted me. So whoever goes through and fills out this form and contacts me, they will get added to the list and they'll also get tagged as contacted me, okay? So that's important because we can use that to start an automation. So the other thing you can do as well is if you go to your product and choose any sort of product, we can go down here as well and choose on tag customers. So if someone has just done this, we can say they've bought, or we'll stick a bought as well. So bought pottery course for beginners. Okay, and we'll save the changes. So that what means that when someone goes through our shop and actually buys this course or this product or this mug or whatever else you're selling, as soon as they've checked out, they're going to get tagged with that tag that we've given them, okay? So if we go back to our automations and we create a new automation, we'll say contacted me, for example. Here we can click to add the trigger, and the trigger will be when either when someone gets added to the list or when a tag is added, because we we did them both, right? So for this example, we'll just go through when someone contacts me and gets added to the list. Okay. So when someone gets added to the list, they'll join this automation flow workflow automatically. Okay. So for example, we could have a delay of like 20 minutes or something, or maybe 15 minutes, just so it seems a bit more natural. And then we could send an email to them, right? Or if we could actually, if we got their email, if we got their message mobile number, we could do an if then else split first of all. And that means that, so here for example, we could say phone, if phone has any value, okay? So if the phone number has got a value, yes, then we could actually send them a message, right? If we've set up our Twilio account integration. Or if they haven't got a phone, then we could send them an email, okay? So thanks for getting in touch. And then here we can add a property, and that property is going to be their first name. Thanks for getting in touch, Josh, right? This will be from me. And then we can start building the email. And again, we can choose from a template list, or you can choose from scratch or one of your own templates. We'll just choose one of these and click on save. So if someone joins the list of contacting me, we're going to wait 15 minutes. We're going to check if they have a phone number. If they do, we'll send them a SMS message. And if they don't, we'll send them an email, okay? So we'll save that. And then the other way we could have done it was if we create another automation called bought pottery lesson. And here we can say when a tag is added, because when someone buys that product, we add that tag and then they get added automatically into this automation flow. And here, for example, we could have a delay for again another day, and then we could send an email, and again welcome first name, for example, and then from and then we can start sending, making the email. So we will do this, and then so someone's bought the pottery lesson, we wait for a day, we send them an email, we can wait for another day, or maybe a couple of days, right? And then we can send them another email about purchasing one of our new products, yeah? So you could force them or like guide them to buy something else and say, hey, you know, you've bought the lesson, how about you join my ceramics class, which is online, yeah? So you could send them a different email about that. So check out my new course. Good. So you can do, if you're promoting then a different product, you can set a goal, and a goal is basically the end step, and if someone reaches the goal, then they will quit this automation, right? So imagine you could have here 5 emails or 10 emails. You can make it as long as you want, really, and if the aim then is to get someone to buy your course or, you know, buy something, then, and they do that, then they won't get any more emails, right? They'll get removed from this automation flow as soon as they reach the goal. So here you could say they make a purchase, either all orders or you know, paid orders, and here you can say only for orders over a certain amount. So you can choose your VIPs, right? If they spend over $500, you could do something, or orders made for a discount code, or maybe someone's bought a specific product, yeah? So in this case, someone's bought the pottery for beginners course, We wait 3 days and we send them the email to buy this advanced course, for example. Okay, and what's nice then about that, having a goal, is that in your analytics and goals tab, you'll be able to see how many people have gone through and actually reached that goal, how many people have actually gone through and checked out, right? And here you can see all of your flows and emails and messages, and see you know, how many people are there waiting, how many people have opened it and clicked it, etc. So that's a really good way to do it. So also when you've selected, when you've turned it on, you can also see who's here waiting, right? We've got 5 people waiting, we've sent 100 emails, we've got another 3 people waiting here, etc. So that's the way you set up your automations. You can have as many automations as you want, running all the time. You can get as complicated as you want to, but I would suggest you at least start with the abandoned cart routine.